Are you someone that's looking to get physically fit and healthy in a sustainable way and lose weight in a way that it doesn't come back? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. We're going to be conducting a 21-day weight loss challenge where we focus on losing weight in a sustainable way through yoga, yogic diet, and yogic practices. Now, personally, I lost up to 10 kgs over the last 1 year simply by practicing the yogic diet and the yoga philosophy. And I had to learn a lot about what worked for my body, how to do this in the right way, and how to sustain it so that it doesn't go away the minute I stop working out or the minute I stop eating healthy. So through this challenge, we're going to teach you the right tricks and the tips that will help you to sustain it, to transform your lifestyle, and to truly become the best version of yourself physically, mentally, and spiritually. So join us for this weight loss challenge over 21 days starting 8th November, 8 to 9 a.m. in the morning. We're going to go Monday to Friday, every single day of the week, learning how to lose weight in the effective and sustainable way. So I hope you're going to join us. The link will be in the description. You can check out on the page directly, and we look forward to seeing you 8th November onwards for this weight loss challenge that will definitely change your life. See you soon.